Have you noticed how many people are talking about online opportunities lately? I mean, it seems like every day someone new is popping up, making their mark in the online world. And these aren't just entrepreneurs or social media experts. We are talking about people from all walks of life, from doctors, nurses, engineers, tradesmen, and even women. People who may have once thought, that is not for me. But here they are, taking that leap, changing their lives in ways they never thought possible. And yet, I know there are so many others out there who are just waiting for the right time, or maybe waiting for a sign. So why are so many people searching for online opportunities? Well, think about it. More and more people want freedom. The kind where they don't have to clock in and clock out every day, where they can set their own hours and have time for families, for hobbies and passions that they care for. But it's not just freedom that we're talking about here. A lot of people want security. They want a backup plan, or maybe even a fresh start. They've seen how uncertainty in the job market all over the world can be and want something that puts them in control, something that builds a future for themselves and their family. But the question is, why are so many people not taking action? Well, let's be real here. Taking that leap isn't easy. I know there are fears. Maybe you are worried about the unknown, about stepping out of your own comfort zone. It is totally natural. A lot of us were raised to believe that the safe route is the best route. Get a degree, find a steady job, work hard, and retire in a few decades. But here's the thing. The world is changing very, very fast. And what we all believed to be safe a decade ago isn't guaranteed anymore. And still, so many people hold back. Maybe you are worried you don't have the right skill, or you are thinking, I am not tech savvy. But let me tell you, that's exactly why I am here, to show you you don't have to figure it all out alone. If you are watching this, you are already thinking about it. Maybe there is a voice inside you telling you there is more to life than what you are currently doing now. And if that is you, I want you to know that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a real opportunity where you will need to put in the work. It is proven to work, but you have to make it work for you. People from all walks of life are taking this leap. They are learning, they are growing, and they are building something for themselves. It is not about having to figure it all out from the start. It is about starting. And with my support, along with the system that has been tested and proven, along with a community of people like you will definitely have a clear path. Listen, everyone's skill and earning is going to be different. So don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is unique to you, based on the time you have to commit, based on the skills that you will develop, and the effort that you will put in. That is why this is exciting. It is tailored to you. So if you are ready to explore what's possible and take that very first step, I invite you to join me. You don't have to go it all out alone, and you don't have to wait for the perfect time. Because you know what? There is no perfect time. So are you ready to take that leap? Let's get started together.